Hey guys, what's going on? Hippie here. So, bit of an announcement along with my giveaway that I got going on right now. I am going to be going to the Texas Locksmith Association's convention and competing in the lock picking championship that is getting sponsored by Lockjaw. So, with that, I figured why not show you guys what stage one is supposed to look like. Now, I don't think that these are the actual locks that they're going to be using. Stage one is you have to pick 5 padlocks of varying difficulties within a time frame. Stage 2 is leashy with automotive, which if I'm lucky enough to get past stage 1, I've never used a leashy before, so that's going to be interesting. But anyways, once you get past stage 2, stage 3 is residential locks, 5 residential locks, varying difficulties. And yeah, so I figured why not kind of just I'm just gonna pick some locks and see how far I can go. I got a little bit of a timer on my phone for, whenever you record, it tells you your time frame. So I got about 5 seconds or so before I have to start, so I'm going to get this one at least opened. And then my guess is these padlocks are actually going to be secured to something. Oh, shoot. Okay, go. So I have 5 minutes to try to get through 5 locks. So basically, if you don't get through a lock a minute, you're screwed, right? Okay, so that's white belt. That's kind of what I went off of, was for the difficulty, was just off the belt system. I doubt that that's what they're going to be using. It's the Locksmith Association. I am not feeling any pins. Holy crap. Okay, cool. That one's done. Let's go with that reach again. Okay. Ah, crap, dropped it. How much time do I got left? Okay. Oh, it's not gonna fit. So on the padlock part, you're using your own equipment. So hopefully I can actually be slightly more organized on event day. Okay, 1100. So I went with Master Lock number 3, Master Lock 140, Master Lock 570. I really probably should have gone with a couple of different ones for those ones anyways. Come on. I've got just about a minute and a half left. Oh, all right. 1100's open. Okay, time for the fun one, right? Packlock 90A Pro. This is my guess to what they're actually going to be using. The only reason that I actually say that is because I think Packlock's actually going to be there. feel any pins needing to move. Come on now. Let's go upside down. It's always a good idea. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Got about 25 seconds. Dang it. All right, that's time. Well, anyways, this is what my practice, I guess, is gonna look like for the next month. The event is on September 21st. I will share the link down in the description so that you guys can go and check it out. See if you guys want to go down there, if you want to participate. Lockjaw is sponsoring it. It is a $1,000 grand prize. And yeah, so anyways, like I said, link's going to be in the description. And I'm going to do a bunch of videos and stuff like that. I'll announce a little bit closer to the event some other stuff that's also in the works, because I don't want this to kind of overshadow the giveaway that I got going on right now. So anyways, and just an update, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 people entered into the Hippie 420 giveaway. So all right, guys, this one ran a little bit longer than normal, so I will catch you guys later. Bye.